Hello guys and welcome back. We created our Binance account and left it that it was being verified. So you should understand that the verification takes like 2 hours to 3 days. And once you're verified, what you'll see is it verified, sign over here. And then you see that it is completed. The verified sign is completed here and it will be in green. If you're not verified, then you'll find this one in red. So there is benefits that comes with verification. So you can deposit and withdraw 50,000 US dollars daily on a daily basis. So depositing of crypto will be unlimited, and 8 million Binance USD daily you can withdraw, and then you can have a limited P2P transaction. So these are the benefits, or after your verification. So these are the benefits you get after the verification of your account. So, and now we're going to buy. If you're not being verified, then you can try it again until you're verified. Or if you're getting some problem, then you can contact the Binance support here, the support center. So you can submit your request over here, and then tell them that you're trying to verify yourself, but it's not working, so they can help you out. But you should be verified if you follow everything that I've taught you into this video. And then you're now ready to fund your account using the fiat currency. So let's start buying some cryptocurrency. You just hover in this menu that says buy crypto, and then you can buy through bank deposit or debit card, buy crypto via a card, and then P2P trading, cash balance, or third-party payment. So I'm just going to show you how you can buy crypto with credit card. So just click this link here. If you're going to buy it using euro, then you choose it here. If it's US dollars, then you just search it and click this one here. So, and then you put the amount that you want to buy with, and then the Bitcoin you'll receive. So you can buy Bitcoin or any other coin. You just choose it from here. If you want to buy Ethereum or BNB or BUSD or ADA or Alice and all that stuff. So you can just buy it, or you can search. If it's Ethereum, then it's ETH. Now this is Ethereum. So if you want to buy Bitcoin, so if you don't see BTC, you just search it as BTC, and then you click. Okay, and then it will be like this. So you spend your USD, and then you get 0.02 Bitcoin in return, and then you continue. Once you continue, you will add your card over here. Now you're supposed to add your card, then your card, your name, the card number. Your name will be automatic, and then you just add your card number, and then expiry date and the security code, and then you click next. When you click next, you will have spend 1,000 US dollars and buy 0.02 Bitcoin. That is how you do it. And another method is the bank deposit. You first of all deposit your currency that you want to use. This would be a little bit cheaper than buying from credit card. This one will take a lot of fees, but this one will take you a little bit of fee. If you can't buy using deposit, then use a credit card. But credit card takes a lot of fees. So I suggest that anytime that you want to buy crypto, then you buy using bank deposit. Oh, and then if you select the bank deposit, then it will take you to this page. So you you also choose your currency like the way we chose there. If it's in British pound, if it's in euro, you just choose here. But this one, I just choose US dollar. And then the bank transfer is Swift, or you can choose any other method over here. So with this one, you first deposit in your bank account and then buy it from there. That's the difference. With this one, you just buy it directly from your card. But with bank deposit, you first deposit money into your Binance account and then buy crypto from there. And the third method, so you just add your bank or other method, or you recommend that this is bank suite, which you have zero fees. You can also read some FAQs here, frequently asked questions, how to deposit US dollars via Swift. Let's just read here. So to give you a video of how you can do it, you can just go to that video if you want it and learn how you can do it. If you choose the bank transfer using the Swift, you will have a zero fee. Then this is what I was talking about. This one you'll pay zero fee, but this one you'll pay some amount. So this one is also good. It's cheaper because it's zero fee. Then you continue. It is just simple and it's explanatory. Another method you can do is P2P trading. P2P trading is where we have some guys on Binance that are selling Bitcoin in exchange for your local currency. So let's take, for example, we're using this is fiat. I mean, this is for this fiat, this is Chinese yen, and these are people who are selling the Bitcoin. Let's take, for example, that you're in Europe or something, or Denmark or Europe. Then you just go to Europe, you choose your fiat currency here, and then you're told that to avoid being a victim of scammers, never transfer cryptocurrency before actually receiving payment. Don't believe anyone who claims to be a customer support and convince you to complete the transaction before you receive the payment. They are scammers. Once the seller confirms the order and transfer the asset to the buyer, the transaction is considered completed and cannot be disputed. Binance does not take any responsibility for transaction made outside the platform. So this is the risk. Say if you agree and confirm, then these are the guys that are selling crypto. Let's say this guy is selling like Binance. Now you can search here. Let's say that you want to buy like 1,000. So you just type 1,000 euros and then you search. So these guys you can buy from them up to 1,000 euros. He has 99% completion. This is the percentage that he has completed on selling crypto. This guy has 100% completion. So with $128, he calls himself or herself CoinDesk. So if you come here, I suggest that you don't go with the low completion, the percentage completion guys, but go with 100% completion. I mean, this is the available that he has, and the limit is from $1,000 to 14,500 USD. I mean euro, because you've chosen euro here. So if you're convinced that if you're convinced with this completion, with the 108 orders with 100% completion, then you come here and buy. So what happens is you're told that the payment time is within 15 minutes. So you want to pay him this amount and then you receive USDT in this amount. So the terms and conditions here is only SEPA payments according to this guy, he only accepts SEPA payments in euro accepted. Please write order number to the bank reference. Please send the bank receipt and screenshot the payment. So whatever you want to buy, then you'll just follow everything that guy is doing here. And you see, now we are on a buy platform, but for USDT. If you want to buy Bitcoin, you just click Bitcoin and you choose whether you want to buy or sell. If you want to sell to these guys, which is pretty easy, then you sell or you buy. So with Bitcoin, you buy Bitcoin from this guy. This has a 100% completion, 100% completion, 100% completion. So these guys have 100% completion selling Bitcoin to other guys. Okay, like this guy has sold over 105 orders. So he has done 105 transactions. So these are the things that you wanna look before you buy crypto from peer to peer or from the guys that are selling crypto. So when you come here to buy Bitcoin, then it's just the same thing. The available, he has available of 0.13 Bitcoin, and his mode of payment is TransferWise or SCPA and SCPA instant. Then you pay and then you buy. So what happens is Binance will protect you from being scammed here. That's why I'm saying that you go with the 100% completion, because these guys have been proven to have a good transaction. Like if you look at this guy has only 94.1%, and the other guy is 98, and this guy is this is the lowest guy, you see, and he has only done 64 orders. So I said, and he was only accepting Skrill. You see, for whatever you want to buy, I'll just go with good guys according to Binance. They can't scam you, and then you choose whatever you want according to the orders that they've done, and then you buy from them, and then you put the amount you want to pay them, and you want to receive the Bitcoin you want. It will actually bring you the Bitcoin automatically that you want to receive, and then you buy, and then it will be on your account. So whatever they release the amount from Bitcoin, then you'll actually release it on your account. So that's the third way of doing it. And another way of doing it is through the third-party payment. If you click the third-party payment, this is what you use. You put your amount here, you choose the coin pair that you want to use. You have USD, and then you want to buy like BUSD. So this is what we'll get. And then you use Simplex. You pay using Simplex, or you pay using Banxa, and this is what you'll receive in return. Okay, and then you agree, and then you continue. So those are the ways on how you can buy Bitcoin crypto from Binance. So the first one is the bank deposit. Just deposit amount from your bank to Binance and then buy it from there. This one will cost you 0 fee. Or you buy directly from using your debit card, and this one will cost you some transaction fees. And this one you buy it from the guys who are trading crypto on Binance. So Binance will act like go between you guys so that you don't get scammed. So what you just look from this guy is the amount they've done, and the 100% transaction that has been completed. And the third one is the third payment. So you use this, the Simplex and Banxa, to buy crypto from Binance. So those are the three main crypto buying method from Binance. You just go through one by one and then you'll actually understand. And if you want to know more on how you can buy from Binance, let's say that you want to buy from bank deposit, if you click there, then you'll find some tutorials over here, so you can also read the tutorials and see how you can also do it if you have forgotten what I showed you. So you go to how to deposit USD via bank transfer, which is Swift. If you click the check details here, then it will actually take you on how you can do it. In this way, this guy has used his wallet, but you can also buy it through the buy crypto. It's just the same thing, because it's just fiat deposit from your wallet. Or click, then you continue, then you put your amount, then what you'll get, and then you confirm. This is the name will be here automatically, and then you put your bank name and bank account number, and then you continue. So the important notes which be, you must include the reference code. Any other way you can do via Swift, you must include the reference code when you're making a Swift wire transfer. Otherwise the fund might get delayed. Another thing is the name of your bank account must exactly match the name on your Binance account. So if your name is John Doe, then your name in the bank Swift should also be the same, to avoid confusion here, and you'll get that from your crypto. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure that you click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, because this series of videos we're showing how you can buy, sell, trade on Binance account. So let's meet to the next video.